Hello to all old and new sewing-loving friends of the channel. Today, we're finally going to work on the sleeve pattern together. This pattern is going to be the foundation for all our sleeve designs. Meaning what? It means we'll draw it just once, and then we'll copy it as many times as we want. So if you're ready to solve the sleeve pattern problem once and for all, let's get started. To begin pattern drafting, we need the sleeve length, arm circumference, and wrist circumference. To begin, we draw a rectangle with a width of arm circumference plus 4 to 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters for small sizes with a small arm circumference, 5 centimeters for regular sizes with an average arm circumference, 6 centimeters for large sizes with a large arm circumference. And with the desired sleeve length, I set mine to 60 centimeters. Now we divide the rectangle in half, and by doing so, we mark the center of the sleeve. The right side is for the front sleeve pattern, and the left side is for the back sleeve pattern. Now measure down by 1/3 of the rectangle's width plus 2 or 3 centimeters from the top edge of the rectangle and mark that point. We also divide these two sections in half. Now we divide this line in half, and we divide the line on the back pattern side by 3. Follow the steps along with me as you see in the video, and if you have any questions, be sure to write them in the comments for me. Dear friends, how was it so far? I hope you followed along with me step by step and found the content useful. An important note, if you've enjoyed the tutorial so far and feel this content is valuable to you, your support for the channel means the world to us. If you're willing to stand by us on our journey to provide better and higher quality tutorials, you can become a special member of the channel membership. With this support, you not only help improve the channel's content, but also gain access to exclusive member content. Now first we mark the sleeve length and measure out from each side of the sleeve's center line by 1/2 of the wrist circumference, ensuring it's perpendicular at a right angle, and mark those points. Then, draw the side seam of the sleeve on both sides. Make sure to measure your wrist circumference this way. If you measure directly around your wrist, the wrist opening might end up being too tight for you. To better shape the sleeve side seam, divide this line in half, mark 1 centimeter inwards, and then gently curve it slightly. As always, please be sure to share your comments and questions with me in the comments section. I read every message carefully. Now that you've got your energy back, are you ready to move on to the next exciting part? Let's continue with full power. Our pattern is ready. We just need to check it now. For the first check, fold the sleeve in half down the center and first draw the side seam on the other side. Then, check if the two side seams align perfectly. The next check, we measure the sleeve cap curve with a standing tape measure, and then we measure the armhole circumference on the garment. These two measurements should ultimately have a difference of 2 to 6 centimeters, 2 centimeters for thin fabrics, 3 and 4 centimeters for garments with more thickness, 5 and 6 centimeters for thick fabrics. General rule, the thinner the fabric, the smaller the difference number, and the thicker the fabric, the larger the difference number we consider. I'm considering it for a medium weight fabric so I can make adjustments more easily. As you can see, the difference between the two numbers is 8 centimeters. To reduce this discrepancy, I can subtract between 1.5 to 2 centimeters from the sides, and 1 to 1.5 centimeters from the center of the sleeve. We must definitely check the arm circumference so that the sleeve doesn't end up being too tight. We measure 1 to 1.5 centimeters, depending on our need, and then place the two parts of the sleeve on top of each other as you see in the video. Now, find the center of the overlapped amount on the sleeve and redraw the sleeve's center line. Well, dear friends and followers, great job! Did you see how easily and step-by-step we managed to draft this sleeve pattern? I hope this tutorial was useful for all of you, no matter your age, and that you learned some good tips. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, I kindly ask you to please give it a like. This really gives us a boost of energy. And if you haven't joined the channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now. And activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new tutorials. As you can see, the difference between the sleeve cap curve and the armhole circumference is now 3 centimeters. This amount is very important for us. Soon, I will be posting a tutorial on cutting and preparing the sleeve on the channel. This way, you will fully understand the purpose of this extra amount. As always, I'm looking forward to your valuable comments and ideas in the comments section. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.